Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out you've lost your job, or your car suddenly breaks down, or an unexpected medical bill arrives. Could you pay for it without using a credit card? For millions of people, the answer is no. That's exactly why an emergency fund is one of the most important parts of personal finance. Today, you'll learn what an emergency fund is, why it matters, and how you can start building one, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. So, what is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is money set aside for unexpected expenses. It's not for vacations. It's not for shopping. And it's definitely not for buying the latest phone. It's money that's only used when real emergencies happen. Think about events like losing your job, a medical emergency, major car repairs, unexpected home repairs, or sudden family emergencies. Without savings, many people turn to high-interest credit cards or personal loans. That often creates even bigger financial problems. An emergency fund acts like a financial safety net. It gives you options instead of panic. So, how much money should you save? Financial experts often recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. If your monthly expenses are $3,000, your emergency fund should eventually grow to between $9,000 and $18,000. Does that sound impossible? Don't worry. Nobody builds it overnight. The goal is to start small. Even saving $20 every week makes a difference. Consistency is more important than starting with a large amount. Here's a simple strategy. Open a separate savings account that's only used for emergencies. Then, set up automatic transfers every payday. Even if it's only $50. You probably won't even notice it's gone. But over time, your emergency fund keeps growing. Here's another important tip. Keep your emergency fund somewhere safe and easy to access. A high-yield savings account is often a popular choice. It keeps your money available while still earning a little interest. Avoid investing your emergency fund in the stock market. Markets go up, and markets go down. You don't want your emergency savings losing value right before you need them. Now let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes people make. They spend their emergency fund on things that aren't emergencies. A holiday sale isn't an emergency. A new gaming console isn't an emergency. A luxury vacation isn't an emergency. Your emergency fund should only be used when you truly have no better option. Once you use it, your next financial goal should be rebuilding it as quickly as possible. Here's something many wealthy people understand. Having an emergency fund isn't just about money. It's about peace of mind. Knowing you can handle unexpected problems reduces stress and helps you make smarter financial decisions. Instead of feeling trapped, you have breathing room. Financial freedom starts with financial security. And financial security begins with being prepared. Remember, life is unpredictable. Emergencies aren't a matter of if. They're usually a matter of when. The people who prepare in advance are often the people who recover the fastest. So here's one final question. If an unexpected expense happened tomorrow, would you be ready? Or would today be the perfect day to start building your emergency fund?